Ooh, what is this, boys and girls? What we got there? Looks like we're gonna have to take it inside and find out. Alright, so here we are, inside. Nice package. Let's see what's inside. It means we're gonna have to start getting serious here. We probably don't need that. So rip it open here. So we get a box. That's all we got. The box. Let's open the box. We'll see what's inside this box here. It's going to be camera setup, selfie stick, tripod. Should be some microphones in here. We can help increase that audio just a little bit. Like I said, we're going to have to start getting serious. There's something else down in there. Just doesn't want to give up the ghost. Alright. Looks like we have a light. Another light. Instructions. Looks like the wireless microphones. And this is a combo selfie stick, tripod, and it looks like it's got a remote. So let's see if we can't get this thing figured out here, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay. Got that part set up. Let's see if we can make a little change to the audio here. That might be the next thing we do. Is this really what I sound like? Pretty hideous if you ask me, but you know. We're just gonna have to cope with it for now. Or the rest of my life, in my case. Let's see. Yeah. Looks like we got some little microphone covers there. Comes with the little soft things there. Yeah, let's get this set up right here. Is this any better? What about this way? Is that any better? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. I kind of looked at it and kind of think that indoors, at least, the camera's microphone is probably better. But I got this whole kit for $30 off of Amazon, so it's the Unron vlogging kit. Comes with the tripod, but also doubles as a selfie stick. Has 2 lights, 2 microphones. I guess that's what you get for $30. Maybe it'll be sufficient for everything we want to do here. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get something else. I guess we'll see. But I'll put a link in the description, and if you guys want to play with this thing, you know, check out the microphone. You can do so. Like I said, $30. Guess I'm gonna have to actually film some stuff now. Guess I shouldn't worry too much about this video because we know nobody's gonna watch it, right? Okay. Well, except for maybe one person. Hi, Mom. Um, yeah, maybe maybe it'll work. Maybe we'll be able to do some stuff here, and maybe I'll be able to learn you something. We'll see. Make sure that you remember to subscribe and push the like button. Thank you. Bye bye now.